Okay, this is another example of the same exact trade. Just how this strategy is so versatile and you can do it every single day. Even if you lose one trade, the next trade you win could still make you profitable. Since we're going for one to twos, if you feel a little brave, you can go for higher, but usually one to twos, depending on the day, you can go for a lot more. Like this example right here. Let me show you. So again, this is 2 a.m., the beginning of London session. Wherever you're based, wherever you're located, find out when London session happens in your area. For me, it happens at 2 a.m., right? So first thing you want to look for is which way the market is going. Since we're on the 5-minute chart, as we can see, it had this big dip, but now we're starting to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We're kind of consolidating right here, right? So since we know we're making higher highs and higher lows with a little bit of consolidation in this area, we're looking for a breakout to the upside just because of how market structure is happening, right? So right here, we draw our line, our diagonal line. So that's our mini trend line. Once that session happens and it breaks through, then we can enter for a buy position, right? And we're also looking for either support and resistance. This time we're looking for support. We have this mini support that price tapped and it's starting to go up. So when London session opens right here, we can see that it tries to retest the support, and we have two. That was like a bottom, a double bottom. Same two type of candles form with the same exact wicks, right? So once it tests this trend line and we see it break, we're gonna wait for a breakout right here, right? Like I said, I like to do 10 pip stop loss or lower, right? In this case, a 10 pip stop loss is perfect. We could easily go for a 1 to 2. We would have won that in like 10 minutes, right? The reason why I entered right here is because these two, let me zoom in, these three bullish candles, they have big wicks. So that the reason why I'm entering right here at this break of candle is I want momentum to carry me up. I don't want, to get in a trade without thinking. I don't want to miss out on the trade, but I don't want to be the first one to enter this trade. Because like you and me, we don't have enough money to move the market. We have to move with it, right? So I'm getting in at the break of candle. You could have entered at this break. But as you can see, if you're paying attention, this right here is considered resistance. So I wanted to break past the resistance and break past the previous candle. We get in, 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit. You could have held, but I like to make my money quick and easy, right? So that way, if I lost yesterday by 10 pips today, I would have been up plus 10 pips in profit because the other 10 is taking over that loss from yesterday. So that's why I recommend doing one trade per day. If you lose two, hopefully the next day you're going to win and you can break even, right? So yeah,